Sending attendance alerts to parents is a great way to reduce truancy rates at your school or district. With Alert Solutions, schools can automate these alerts from directly within their PowerSchool application. To set up a daily attendance alert, first click on the AlertSolutionsVersion2 link in the Functions menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Then, select Scheduled Alerts from the drop-down at the top. This page is where you'll create your alert. Let's run through each of these sections together. For Schedule Task Name, enter the name you would like to use for the alert. For this example, I will use Daily Attendance Alert. Ensure you are using Daily Attendance as your scheduled message type. This should only be chosen for schools using Daily Attendance mode. If you are using Period or Meeting mode attendance, check out our How to Create a Period Attendance Alert help video. Check the box next to the day or days you would like this alert to be sent. We recommend checking all the days your school is in session. Here, you can enter the time you would like the alert to be sent. Remember, the time zone used is the time zone from your profile settings. Next, enter your PowerSchool login credentials using a username, password format. It is important that these login credentials default to the building that you're creating the alert for. In the Attendance Codes field, enter in the attendance codes you wish to use. For example, some schools use A for absent, T for tardy, or U for unexcused. For this example, I will use A. For message category, select Attendance Alert from the drop-down. Finally, check the box next to the communication channels you would like to use for this daily attendance alert. For this example, I will check all three. Now that you have set up the basics for this alert, you need to create the message content. If you selected all three channels like I have, you will need to create message content for each. First, let's create the SMS message. Click on the SMS channel name to the right of the checkbox. Simply enter in the message into the content field. Your child was absent from school today. If you would like to personalize this message, you can insert merge fields using the drop-down here. Next, let's create the email message. Click on the email channel name to the right of the checkbox. You'll notice that many of these fields are already filled out. These fields are being populated from your profile settings. You can leave these fields the same or change them on the fly if you would like. For this example, I will leave them as is. Simply enter in a subject line for the message, Attendance Alert, Apple Grove District, and the message content. Your child was absent from school today. Again, if you would like to personalize the message, you can insert merge fields using the drop-down. Lastly, let's create the voice message. Click on the voice channel name to the right of the checkbox. You will notice the default caller ID field that is automatically populated with the phone number from your profile settings. Here you have two options. You can use our text-to-speech feature and type the message content into the live voice message content box and the voicemail message content box. Your child was absent from school today. Or you can use a WAV file. If you already have a WAV file created, you can drag and drop it into the content box from the library on the left-hand side of your screen. If you need to create a new WAV file, click on the Record button to the right and follow the prompts to use our IVR. I also want to briefly touch on the notification email section. This section is at the bottom of all three communication channels. If you want, you can type in an email address to receive notification emails about this alert. You can also check the boxes to receive error alerts if there is a problem with the alert and to receive a summary report every time the alert goes out. Once you are satisfied with your message, click Save at the bottom of your screen. And that's it. Your daily attendance alert is ready to go.